It's all about understanding wine by drinking. Hey dear wine friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Rita and I'm a passionate wine lover. Today I'm excited to taste with you the vintage 2020 Château Croix de Labrie Grand Cru Classe from the famous Saint-Emilion appellation in Bordeaux in France. A very special wine from Bordeaux's right bank. So grab your glasses and let's dive in. So just a few words about the estate. Château Croix de Labrie is a 5-hectare estate located in the heart of the AOC Saint-Emilion classified Grand Cru, an appellation that inevitably brings to mind Burgundy with its mosaic of plots and producers. Château Croix de Labrie is a prestigious small boutique winery which is owned and managed by Pierre and Axelle Courdurié. So what makes Château Croix de Labrie so special is its 100% organic and biodynamic vineyard, which is meticulously managed by Axelle Courdurié. From vinification to cellaring, Axelle oversees every aspect of winemaking process with great attention to detail. And as a talented winemaker, she brings her feminine sensibility to the wines of Croix de Labrie. So, and this vintage 2020 is from an excellent year and has a lot of charms to offer. As Pierre Courdurié mentioned in an interview with James Suckling, the 2020 is the best of the trilogy compared to 18 and 19. And this intriguing blend is made of 92% Merlot, 5% Cabernet Franc and 3% Cabernet Sauvignon. So, to help us fully appreciate the wine's complexity, we will be using a decanter to allow the wine to breathe and to open up before we taste. So, let's decant the wine now. So now let's taste this beauty. But first let's have a glance on the color now. The wine presents itself with an alluring deep dark ruby garnet color with an opaque core and delicate rim brightening that shimmers with violet reflections. So beautiful. And now let's take a whiff. On the nose, it reveals a multi-faceted, very subtle bouquet of ripe black cherries, noble cassis spice, and toasted plums. And in a second approach, enticing violet perfume, fine noble wood nuances, hints of licorice, and scented pipe tobacco are just so delightful. So luxuriant and seductive. What a smell! It's great. And now let's give it a sip. So the palate is concentrated with silky texture, finely, mealy, expensive extract richness, tight tannic structure and perfectly defined body. This is a wine, an energetic finish of blue and blackberries, dark minerality and sublime astringency. The wine is crisply tannic but magnificently extracted and distinct with an exceptional purity of all the wines that starts on a palate and continues through the long finish. So the 2020 vintage is young but already showing great potential. For me, it's a beautifully crafted classic Saint-Emilion Bordeaux, which combines feminine finesse with great elegance and at the same time so beautifully fresh. It has all what makes a great Saint-Emilion. So my top pairing for you, this Croix de Labrie Grand Cru Classe is an animating food companion, and I would love to pair it with breast chicken, supreme cooked with cream and generously flavored with winter truffles. So I hope to see you again at my next wine tasting. Have a wonderful time. Cheers, yours Rita.